On Thursday, the newly re-elected president of Venezuela, Nicolás Maduro, took his oath of office in front of the National Constituent Assembly. His new term will begin in 2019 and last to 2025.
Ante toda la patria, ante Dios, juro cumplir y hacer cumplir nuestra Constitución bolivariana y llevar adelante todos los cambios revolucionarios que nos permita llegar a la Venezuela potencia de la paz, la prosperidad y la felicidad de nuestro pueblo, lo juro.
The Venezuelan president thanked the countries that have offered him support after his triumph in the May 20th elections, including the People's Republic of China.
Pido el apoyo nacional e internacional. Agradezco todas las manifestaciones de respaldo firme y apoyo de grandes potencias del mundo, de Rusia, de China, de Irán y de otras potencias que en el mundo nos respaldan integralmente, con los cuales tenemos asociaciones y alianzas de desarrollo de beneficio mutuo.
The president said that the focus of his new government will be on dialogue, peace, and an agreement on an approach to the economy. The Venezuelan economy has been in free fall for the last few years, with the inflation rate at nearly 14,000%.